Hey, you almost done?
Bedtime. Let's sort it out. Stop it. Give me this. Fuck's sake. What are you doing? Shh. What? What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Pico! What do you want, Pico? What do you want, Pico? What is it? Do you want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath? Oh, you do? Okay. There he goes. And they're off.
Who's that?
What are you doing?
What doing? Hi. Hi. Man, you just don't want to touch him, but you're like, oh. It's you. It's you.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Shout with me today. From us 10. Alright, number 1, we got Beanie. Number 2, we got Heat. Number 3, we got It. Number 4, we got Beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got Cheat.
Where'd you get that Funyun? Where'd you get that Funyun? Give it to me. Sprite. Those are very unhealthy. Give it to me. Sprite.
Run.
Sprite. 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 Stop doing the Quaker shake. Get over here. Get. Your knees cannot handle this. Sprite. Put the Funyun.
This week, we're in Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide on her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Allison family!
So whenever we take Petey out for walks, we make the habit now of putting him down when we come back to the house. And he knows exactly where to go to get back to his room. He'll walk himself there, all the way to his cage, climb on up into his favorite perch. What a bird. Now don't get me wrong, he absolutely loves going for walks, but what he loves the most is when he sees his bedroom and knows he's back home. This is Petey, everybody, and he's finally settling in.
So this is my attack dog. People are more afraid of him
And they are most things. Go get him, boy. Yeah, you see that charging at you? Come here, Sam. See this thing charging at you? You better be terrified. Yeah, you better be terrified. They scary. You're a scary boy. Yeah, you bad. You a bad boy, huh? Yeah, you gonna mess them up for me, right? Yeah. That's my boy. Yeah, it's my boy.